Forget about the 8,000 watch hours. Yes, you heard me. What if I give you 5 ideas to bypass the 8,000 watch hours that YouTube just rolled out of recent, which was day before yesterday? And I've seen several videos. So many people complaining, or some are even saying that YouTube is targeting the small YouTubers. No, that's not true. Okay. Now, first of all, let me share my screen and show you this. Now, new creators applying for YPP will need 8,000 qualified watch hours in the last 365 days, or 20 million qualified short views in the last 90 days. But let's go down, take a close look at this, which will take effect on February 1st, 2027. Now, let's come back to the 5 ideas I want to share with you. Now, as a YouTuber, either you are yet to monetize or you are monetized. These 5 ideas will help you not to get entangled with these issues, okay? Or either 8,000 watch hours, it does not concern you, or they are now telling you that in your shorts, the moment this effect take place, that in your short you will no longer earn unless you have to be able to meet the threshold in order to be in order to come back into the platforms and start earning again. All this, you don't need them. So now, number one thing you now need to do, our first idea here is focus on one channel. Yes. What if I break your bubbles or tell you that YouTube is actually doing this because they want so many creators or YouTubers to actually focus on just one channel, as in like one channel? Have you come to think of it? When it was, if they make it so easy, so many people will have like 10 channels, 15 channels if possible. But now they are doing this to want to frustrate or make you chicken out or feel like you don't want to do it again. And by the time they make it 8,000 watch hours, you will now begin to think of, how will I meet 8,000 watch hours here and then go to another channel and meet 8,000 watch hours? This make you to what? To make a U-turn. So rule number 1, in order for you to be able to bypass this 8,000, focus on one account. Now, when you focus on one account, remember they say this effect is taking place 1st February 2027. If you can focus on one account, this will enable you to monetize this account before that time, which means 4,000 watch hour is just what you need and not the 8,000 watch hours. So rule number 1, focus on one account, put all your energy, all your eggs in one basket, meaning focus just on monetizing one channel and not multiple channels, because trying to do that, you will not be able to meet those channels. And when you now reach that 1st of February 2027, it becomes difficult. So I will advise you now, take your time. Use 3 months to just monetize one account. Use another 3 months to monetize another account, because now we have 6 months to February. Okay, so do this in order to achieve 2 monetized YouTube channel. That's our number 1 idea. Now, number 2 ideas, begin to link all your shorts to your long form videos. Yes. Now, many YouTubers don't know about this. If you don't know how to link your shorts to your long form video, let me know in the comment section and I will still do video. I've done video about that, but I'll still do video about that if you want that. Now, why are you linking your shorts to your long form video? Remember, as of in the next that's in the next 6 months, which is 1st of February 2027, most attention will be focused on long form video. Okay, that is what the program that is what YouTube is saying here. If you take a close look, YPP ads and premium threshold taking place, which is going to be coming on by that of February 1st 2027. So most of every attention will be focused on long form. So now begin to divert all your subscribers, people who are just watching you from the short platforms or FYP, to begin to watch your long form video. So begin to link them, begin to bring them to your long form video, so that by that time you will not be caught unaware. All right, that's our number 2. And our number 3, begin to go live. Like now, go live. Like, remember, you need to meet this 4,000 watch hour before 1st February 2027, because if you cannot meet it by that time, even going live will not save you again. So go live, begin to go live now, because you are trying to use everything at your disposal. Yes, everything at your disposal to meet the 4,000 threshold before the 8,000 threshold come into play. So go live, accumulate as many watch hours as possible you can using your live session or your live stream section. I've seen so many people getting monetized or using or accumulating watch hours just by going live. I believe many of you don't know that going live is one of the ways. In short, if you can go live for like 30 minutes to 1 hour every day for 7 days, you come give me my thanks. All right. And our number 4, learn to repeat any viral videos on your channel. Have you had any viral video on your channel at all? Remember, what we are looking for here is ability to complete 4,000 watch hours before the 8,000 watch hour will come into play. So we want to get our account monetized. We don't want to mind these 8,000 watch hours. So if at all you've had any viral videos on your page, I will advise you repeat that viral video again on your page. Meaning, let's assume you have treated a topic like how to get 4,000 watch hour, and that video went viral. Create another video around 4,000 watch hour, and you will discover that video too will peak. And remember, the more viral long form videos you have on your page, the more watch hours you are accumulating. Because see, even by 2027 that they are even talking about, people will still be making that will still be achieving their 8,000 watch hours. Okay, so but now we don't want to mind that, so we want to use every available means. So go ahead, be strategic with your posting. Take notes, look at what is working on your channel and then replicate it. And this is how you have more viral video and much watch hour to yourself. Remember, this channel now you're watching now, in 3 months, I am done with it. So I've seen a lot of people saying 1 year, 2 years, they were not yet monetized. No. As my students, I don't want that to happen to you. I want every of my students or audience or viewers or subscribers to get their account monetized in 3 months. So go replicate any viral video on your channel. And our number 5, learn to post long form video. Now, in short, if you have been posting 5 shorts before, reduce that 5 shorts every day, reduce it to 2, and then use the remaining energy to be posting long form videos every day. Remember, as in the nearest future, what is going to be making more money for you on your channel is the long form video. So I would advise you now begin to focus all your energy, begin to put all your energy. If you take close look, I didn't know, just like I know you two, you didn't know. I stopped focusing on shorts because I discovered that short is even people that are watching my shorts are not people that are interested in my long form videos. Okay, so then that was when I started linking my shorts to my long form. Then I begin to drag them from. So when I noticed that I have now been able to drag them from that place, I no longer even think of shorts. Okay, so I will advise you focus now more on long form videos, because we are looking for all possible means to achieve 4,000 watch hours before that of 2027, and which is 8,000 watch hours. Okay, so now these are the 5 ideas. Go and do it right now on your page, and you will bypass the 8,000 watch hours that is coming. Or else you might see. Just imagine just imagine you refuse to take this action now. Even though if it is 3,999 watch hour is what you have, as like you do not have the remaining 1 minute. When that 1st of February 2027 comes in, you will now have to complete 8,000 watch hours. So if I were you, I will hurry up and then do what? Begin to take action on this 5 ideas I've just shared with you. Now, if in case you've not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button. See, if you don't want to make mistakes, you want to grow, you want to get your account monetized, I've got you covered on this channel. And I would advise you go watch this video. This video will actually help you achieve more on your YouTube channel. And if you want me to do any video for you, just let me know in the comment section and I'll do the video for you. And remember, support each other in the comment section. I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.